This lemon chicken recipe is a fan favorite. So many people have added it to their list of favorites, and I get why. You start with chicken thighs, brown them up in a skillet, then bake them in the dreamiest lemon gravy. It's guaranteed to create a happy dance. Add lemon zest to a bowl for our chicken rub and a measuring jug for the gravy. Then squeeze about a quarter cup of juice into the jug with chicken stock and lemon zest. For the rub, stir together whole grain mustard, olive oil, oregano, dried thyme, and a good pinch of salt. There really is so much flavor here. These are bone-in and skin-on chicken thighs. Pat them dry, then rub both sides with that zesty lemon mustard mixture. Pour some olive oil into an oven-safe skillet and toss in a couple of garlic cloves. Let them sizzle until they turn a nice golden brown, then fish them out, leaving you with a garlicky olive oil. Add your chicken thighs skin side down and let them get beautifully browned and crispy as some of the fat renders. Flip the chicken over, turn off the heat, and pour in your gravy mixture. Mix the gravy around the pan, scraping up anything that's stuck to the bottom, then pop the whole pan into the oven and bake until the chicken is cooked through. The chicken is ready, but let's make the gravy even better. Rub together a little butter and flour, then stir it into the gravy and let it simmer until it thickens up a bit. Nestle the chicken thighs back into the pan, spoon plenty of that lemon gravy over the top, and serve it up. I love serving this with mashed potatoes, but honestly, anything that soaks up that lemon gravy is a win.